Hi there, my wonderful people. Greetings from Family Chef to you. You want to eat roasted potatoes, but you don't have oven? Let me show you a simple way to eat roasted potatoes without your oven. I washed this right. I have about a pound of potatoes or 10 potatoes here. Wash it right. Wash it with your soap and wash it with your sponge. Okay, don't use soap, just sponge and water. Cut it in pieces like this. If it's too big, you cut it in thirds. If it's too small like this, you cut it in two. So I'm going to cut all these potatoes and show you how we are going to roast these potatoes without oven. I have my pan here. These potatoes go in the pan. Okay, I have water here. See the water. Make sure the water cover all the potatoes. Okay. You need your salt. Pinch of salt. Let's turn the fire on. This potato is going to boil in medium-high heat until it gets soft. Okay, every oven is different, so I'm not giving the time. When you check your potatoes, you put the fork in and you see the fork it goes in straight, and that means it's full, it's cooked. Well, let's cover it, let it boil 20 minutes until it gets full and tender. And we'll come back and see how we are going to roast these potatoes without oven. The potato is cooked, you can tell. All right, I'm going to drain it, see what next. We have my butter. Okay, about 1 tablespoon of butter goes in the pan. Okay. There we go. The potato is going to lay flat like that. The white part go first. Then after that, the skin side will go. You don't have to peel it. Potato skin is very, very good too for you. Going to lay all this. Alright, now all the potatoes is in the pan. We are going to let it cook brown for a couple of minutes, then we turn it over. If you want it so crunchy, take your time, let it brown. Okay, it's the same as it's in the oven. So if you don't have oven, this is the way you can eat the roasted potatoes. It's gonna be so good. We cook with salt already, so we'll see what the ingredients we're gonna put it to finish it up. Now let's turn it over and see how brown it looks. Yes, that's what I'm looking for. It looks like it's in the oven, right? The butter make it brown. You need to get a good pan to be able to get this result. I'm going to turn all over. Okay, now you can tell the potato is brown in the side. I turn it over to the skin side. We want the skin side to be brown too, because we are going to eat it with the skin. If you are not comfortable eating with the skin, you can take the skin out. All right, make sure you have a good pan. Okay, go to Macy's, go to a store that they have quality pan. If you don't have a quality pan, you can't get these results. Spend a little more money to buy a pan and use it longer time. Okay, Family Chef, I'll give you more tips. Okay, now potato is all brown. It's ready. Let's look at the ingredients. If If you look at here, I have 1 tablespoon, a teaspoon of butter, and a shake of rosemary. Okay, shake of rosemary. We all know that when you are roasting potatoes, you need your rosemary and thyme. This is thyme. Rosemary and thyme go well with potatoes. So I'm getting a little shake and melt it and put it on top of the potatoes. You can see the butter with the herb. I'm not going to melt it because the potato is hard. So all I do is just put it on top of the potato. It's going to melt in the pan. You see the butter I put it? All right. It's going to melt everywhere. The reason why I do that, I want this potato to get seasoned from the rosemary and thyme. We use salt to cook it already, so we are not going to put salt. Almost done, 1 minute. The last ingredients that go in is paprika, all right, for the color. If you like heat, you can put cayenne pepper. Paprika is going to help us to color our potato, to make a little red. So easy and simple. You see how we roast the potato in the pan without oven? So simple. If you have Parmesan cheese, you can put it on top. If you have cheese, powdered cheese, any cheese you want, you can put it. If you like it very healthy, just leave it like that. You can put green onions, which I don't have, so I'm going to use something else. I have my sauté pepper, bell pepper in here. You don't have to do this. This recipe requires spring onion because I forgot to buy them yesterday. And I have this pepper I sauteed yesterday. Decided to put it in. Why not? It's all veggies. At the same time, to garnish it too. Oh my God! You see, you have your roasted potatoes without oven. Yeah. Let's see what you're gonna eat it with. You can eat it with a chicken, fish, and everything. So easy. How many minutes? If you cook home, you control your salt, you control your sugar. You cook and you're happy to cook a meal that you like for yourself too. Okay, the dinner is ready. Roasted potato. Look, I make chicken. Next time I'll bring this recipe. Okay, this is chicken, grilled chicken. I put it in the bottom of my oven. Then you put broil. Okay, it will be like you did it in a grill outside. Okay, if you put it broil, if you have broil in your oven, do it. Congratulations, you made yourself a roasted potatoes without oven. Is it not appetite? It doesn't look appetite. You have your chicken, you have your potatoes. I have a salad here. Let's try. You know, family chef, I always try. The potatoes is cooked through. You can tell. If you want to lose weight, trying to eat, use a smaller plate. You see, you can eat with the skin. The skin is roasted too. Oh my God. Okay, let me get my little salad. Oh my goodness. Aren't you jealous? Look at this plate. You have your starch, you have your protein, you have your leaves. What is it good about it? And good about it is you cook it by yourself. Family chef, I always tell you, don't forget to be kind and nice to everyone. Family chef, next week I will bring more videos. You made yourself roasted potatoes. Oh, look at that. It's cooked through, it's brown, everything is in tight. Oh my goodness. I can feel the rosemary and thyme. I can feel the paprika. What a healthy food. Try to make some for yourself, okay? How many minutes? I'm done. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you did already, don't subscribe. People do it again and they unsubscribe themselves. If you subscribe it one time, that's it. Okay? Thank you so much. Next week, I'll bring more videos. Let me enjoy my food. Okay? Look at the chicken. Oh my God. But you're telling me on your journey being here. Senu kuse kafra why? I am a hindi. Senu kuse kafra. Next week, I will bring more video. Junior, the dinner is ready. Ciao, everyone. I love you guys.